session on MATLAB basics. In this session, we are going to discuss about the vectors in MATLAB. A vector is a one-dimensional array of numbers. MATLAB allows creating two types of vectors, row vectors and column vectors. We'll first discuss about row vectors. Row vectors are created by enclosing the set of elements in square brackets using space or comma to delimit the elements. So suppose R is a row vector. This is how it is supposed to be written. We will take this into MATLAB. When you paste it, you can see this is how a row vector looks like. Column vectors. Column vectors are created by enclosing the set of elements in square brackets using semicolon to delimit the elements. So this is how it is supposed to be written. We will take this into MATLAB. You can see here, this is a column vector and this was a row vector. So if you just give a space or you just add a comma, it will look horizontal, a row. And if you add a semicolon, it will be placed vertically like a column vector. Next, we'll talk about referencing the elements of a vector. You can reference one or more of the elements of a vector in several ways. The ith component of a vector v is referred as vi. For example, v is a vector. This is a column vector which has 6 elements. Suppose if I want to call the third element, I will just write v in the bracket 3. When you reference a vector with a colon, such as v in the bracket colon, all the components of the vectors are listed. So suppose if I have a vector v which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements. This is a column vector of 6 elements. And if I write v and colon, all these elements will be listed. Now let's try this in MATLAB. So I'll just copy this much and paste it in MATLAB. You can see here the answer is 3 because the third element is 3. Now suppose if I want to see the fifth element, I'll copy it and paste it in MATLAB. You can see here the fifth element is 5. Here, if I copy this again, you can see since a colon is written, all the 6 elements has been shown as a column vector. MATLAB allows you to select a range of elements from a vector. For example, let us create a row vector RV of 9 elements. Then we will reference the elements 3 to 7 by writing RV in the bracket 3:7 and create a new vector named sub RV. So this is the way it is given here. Let's copy this and check in MATLAB how it looks like. So when I paste it, you can see RV is these 9 elements and sub RV is from 3 to 7. These elements, it makes up the vector sub RV. Now suppose if I want to make some changes into it, let's change. Say I want to see from 2 to 5. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. You can see 2 to 5, all the elements have been noted down. So that's how you reference the elements of a vector in MATLAB. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood some basic concepts of vector and how we are supposed to write them in MATLAB. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.